If you're stuck with content ideas, then save this video for later so you can come back for inspiration. If you've not yet watched the video that I posted yesterday on creating content that converts, then make sure that you go back and watch that video first so you know what I'm referring to when we talk about the 6 topics that you wrote down yesterday designing your lifestyle marketing business. Those are the 6 topics that got you excited and that made you invest into your education, your training, and your business so you could start your online business. Now, I'm going to show you how you can take those 6 topics over to ChatGPT so you can create unlimited content. Now, I learned this ChatGPT framework from my coach who is a 7-figure marketer. So step number 1 in this framework, you need to write down who you are. Are you a coach, a consultant, an affiliate marketer, an online business owner? Number 2, what is the result or the outcome that you help your clients achieve? Is it to create content, attract your ideal customer, generate leads, close sales, grow an email list, grow a following on social media? Number 3 is to explain how you help your clients achieve their goal. I help my clients create short form vertical content and how they can grow their business without jumping on 45-minute Zoom calls, without sending friend requests, and posting content in Facebook groups to grow their brand. Number 4 is who do you help? Who is your audience that you serve? Is it dads that have been working in corporate for 20 years and that they're missing time with their kids? Is it 30-year-old mums who are stuck at home? Maybe it's a homeowner. Maybe it's an investor. Maybe it's someone that buys real estate. Define who your ideal customer is and make sure that you're being specific because you want to attract your ideal customer with your content. Step 5 in this process is your tone and your language. What is the language that you're wanting to use in your content? Do you want to be persuasive, passive, educational, engaging, friendly? You also want to watch the language that you are using in your content so you're not attracting the wrong people. And number 6, what action do you want your viewer to take? Do you want them to comment on your video? Do you want them to save this video for later? Do you want them to share this video with a friend? Do you want them to read the description for more information? Now, here's an example of the prompt that I use in ChatGPT. I'm a digital marketing consultant and content creator, and I've done 7 figures online. I help dads that have been working in corporate for 20 years who want to spend more time with their children and work from home full time and start, grow, and scale their online business to 6 figures in the next 12 months. I help my clients create short form video content that converts and talks to their ideal customers, and I share with them the 6 reasons why they can create and start their own lifestyle marketing business. Number 1 is a low investment. They can get started in this business for less than $1,000. Number 2, no tech. There's no complicated funnels, so they can be up and running in less than 48 hours. Number 3, no paid advertising. We share with our clients how they can create short form vertical content to attract their ideal customers by talking about common misconceptions, busting myths, and shifting perspectives when it comes to starting, building, and growing an online business. We also talk about a 2-hour workday and the blueprint that they can get their hands on to start their online business. Number 4 is 100% commission. Number 5 is the 2-hour workday. We share with our clients the income producing activities that they need to focus on to grow their online business every day by reviewing and responding to emails, comments, messages, and creating short form vertical content and distributing it onto social media. And number 6, automations. We share the tools that we use inside of our business to help our clients launch their business in less than 7 days so they can get results in their business by focusing on the income producing activities, the 2-hour workday, and the blueprint. So they can have more time with their kids, go to the gym, go to the beach, play golf, take their family on overseas holidays, or whatever they want to do with their free time. This is where the magic happens with ChatGPT. From these 6 reasons listed above, can you create 3 short form videos with 3 alternative hooks with a friendly and a persuasive tone and highlight the reasons why they should take action today by commenting ready, as I love to share with them how they can get their hands on the blueprint and start their online business. Now, ChatGPT will provide me results based on who I am, my business, my ideal customer, and how I help my clients. And everyone's ideal client is going to be different from the next. So you need to take this framework listed above and apply it to you and your business so you can identify how you can create unlimited content using ChatGPT, because some cut and paste prompt from ChatGPT is not going to be the same for everyone. So you need to take this framework and adapt it to who you are to attract your ideal customers. Now, if you want to discover the framework for a good video that hooks the attention of your ideal customer, then make sure that you check out the video that I'm releasing tomorrow. So if you want to know how to add value, tell stories, and attract your ideal audience to get to know you, like you, trust you, and for them to buy from you, then drop a hashtag learn in the comments and come back tomorrow to check out my next video.